Hey, campers! Today we've got an awesome gadget that'll make your outdoor adventures more comfortable. This may look like your average walking cane, but there's more than meets the eye. It's sturdy, lightweight, and perfect for long hikes. But when you need a break, this cane transforms into a chair in just seconds. With a simple twist and lock mechanism, it provides a comfortable seat no matter where you are. Whether you're waiting for the sunset or sitting by the fire, this gadget is a must-have for campers looking to pack light but still stay comfortable. It's compact, easy to use, and can support up to 100 kilograms. It's perfect for hikers, campers, and outdoor explorers. Upgrade your camping experience with this cane chair combo. Next up in our list of must-have camping gadgets is the JETBOIL, a portable solution that's perfect for all your outdoor cooking needs. Whether you're making coffee at sunrise or boiling cold water on a winter hike, JETBOIL has got you covered. It heats up incredibly fast, thanks to its advanced burner system. In just a couple of minutes, you'll have boiling water, ideal for coffee, tea, or a hot meal after a long day in the wild. JETBOIL uses its proprietary fuel blend, isobutane and propane, which is designed for maximum performance, even in cold temperatures. And the best part? It's compact and lightweight, making it super easy to pack without taking up much space. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying the great outdoors, the JETBOIL ensures you stay warm and energized. This is a game changer for any camping trip. Adventure calls, but clean water isn't always guaranteed. Meet Light Water, the ultimate automatic water filter for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking, camping, or on a long journey, Light Water ensures safe, purified water anytime, anywhere. With its advanced filtration system, it removes 99.9% of bacteria and harmful contaminants. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, no manual pumping needed. Just attach, and Light Water does the work for you. Designed for the modern explorer, Light Water is built to last with a rechargeable battery and long filtration life. Stay hydrated and healthy, no matter where your adventure takes you. Light Water, the essential companion for your next outdoor adventure. Pure water, pure freedom. The LIFESABER is a versatile multi-tool designed for outdoor survival. It combines several functions into one compact, portable device. Its core features often include 1. Hand crank power generator, 2. UV water purifier, 3. Plasma fire starter, 4. Siren and light. LIFESABER also includes a built-in UV water purifier, which allows you to safely drink from natural water sources by eliminating harmful bacteria and viruses. In an emergency, the built-in siren and flashlight help signal for assistance, adding an extra layer of safety during your adventures. And when it's time to start a fire, the plasma fire starter gets the job done, even in windy or wet conditions. No matches or lighter needed, just the power of plasma. The next feature is the hand crank power generator. No need to worry about dead batteries in the wild. With just a few minutes of cranking, you can charge your phone, GPS, or other essential devices. Looking for the perfect backpack for your next adventure? The RINO Backpack is here to handle all your camping and hiking needs. Made with lightweight, water-resistant materials, the RINO Backpack is built for the outdoors. It has a spacious main compartment, perfect for your camping gear, and plenty of additional pockets to stay organized. Plus, it comes with a built-in emergency aid kit, giving you peace of mind for those unexpected situations in the wild. With hydration bladder compatibility and a built-in USB port, this backpack keeps you hydrated and connected on the go. Comfort is key on long hikes, and the RINO's padded straps and adjustable belts for durability, comfort, and safety with its emergency aid kit. Meet the Zero Pump, a compact, lightweight, and powerful air pump that's designed to inflate your sleeping bags, air mattresses, or even inflatable chairs effortlessly. And best of all, it comes with a rechargeable battery, so no need to worry about carrying extra batteries. Instead of wasting your energy manually inflating your gear after a long hike, the Zero Pump takes the work out of the equation. Just connect it, switch it on, and let it do all the work. It's quick and efficient, inflating a sleeping bag in just under a minute. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to pack and carry, saving you space in your backpack. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the Zero Pump is perfect for extended trips. Charge it up via USB and you're ready to go. Built for outdoor use, it's durable, lightweight, and designed to handle rugged environments.